Imagine you find out that your state's congressional map was gerrymandered to illegally dilute your votes. Even a panel of judges ruled the map unconstitutional. You'd probably expect that by the next election cycle, that unconstitutional map would be thrown out. That is not the case in South Carolina. The state will continue to use an unconstitutional congressional map for the foreseeable future, even though a panel of judges concluded that the state's conservative legislature exiled 30,000 black voters from the state's first congressional district to make it safer for white Republican incumbent Nancy Mace. South Carolina appealed the judge's decision, sending the gerrymandered map to the Supreme Court for an expedited decision. And now, almost 6 months after hearing the case, the Supreme Court has yet to rule on whether or not the map needs to be redrawn, allowing South Carolina to use the old unconstitutional map, the one that exiles 30,000 black voters this election cycle. Back with me is Maya Wiley, President and CEO of the Leadership Conference on Civil and Human Rights. Maya, thank you for sticking around to be incensed with me here.
Thank you for allowing me to be incensed with you.
I mean, this is the real election fraud. Here it is, right? That's it. You can't get an election back, Maya. How is this happening?
It starts with the fact that the Supreme Court said, we're going to get an election free cards. Because it started saying things like, oh, you know, we're going to decide a year takes too long to organize a new election, new maps. That's before this case. But this is what's happening with the lawyers in this case who have been trying to vindicate the rights of black people in South Carolina, people who the district court said had been bleached. The district they were removed from had been bleached. That's a quote. Yeah. OK, that is what's happening here, because if you can take black people and dilute their vote, you can essentially muffle our votes, our voices, our ability to say who leads. But this is something that we've seen, frankly, in far too many legislatures. But unless the Supreme Court is willing to do what the Constitution demands, which is to say, no, you don't get to steal elections. It's actually fundamentally not what we allow, particularly when you're doing it to take elections away from people who are black. That's not what our Civil War amendments were written to allow. That is not what we will allow. And this is why we need to fight for voting rights legislation, because otherwise we keep having our elections stolen from our democratic process, from our people.
Why the slowdown at the Supreme Court? I mean, they were asked to expedite this. They know presumably full well that this is happening, and yet no ruling.
Not only do they know full well, they're the very ones who started to say, okay, we'll let that gerrymandered district move forward, even though a district court said it was discriminatory. We'll let that one, because we didn't have enough time. This case was January 23. Yeah. They've had time to decide this. And frankly, I can't say what's going on, but I will say this. What's going on ain't right.
Yeah. I mean, there is a pattern here. Louisiana, Alabama, you know, states of the Confederate South, South Carolina, they are the ones that keep having these problems. And we live in a world where the justices on that same Supreme Court, the conservatives, would like to say, we're in a post-racial America where racism is no longer a problem. The shadow of the Confederacy still looms large even today in this kind of voting rights legislation.
Being race blind in this country today means being blind to injustice and refusing to address it. That is not good for democracy, and that's why we're not going to stop fighting for voting rights.
Maya Wiley, I'm going to say that we're ending on an up note, because the fight goes on. The warriors in the fight continue on this Friday night.
And it's a big coalition, and we are a majority of this country, and we are not letting it go.
Maya Wiley, thank you for being here and sharing your thoughts with me tonight, my friend.
Thank you for having me.
Hey everyone, MSNBC has a new and improved app. You'll get real-time alerts and analysis, live blogs, in-depth essays, video highlights, and the best 2024 election coverage. Download the new MSNBC app. Here's how to do it. You tap on the App Store on your phone. You hit search on the bottom right corner. You type in MSNBC. You click on the MSNBC app. You click on Get or the cloud icon and enjoy it.